Good afternoon. Today we will make a small review of the DFSM series gravity-type dispenser, manufactured by the Weighing Equipment Factory. The dispenser is mainly used for dosing free-flowing products in open bags with a range of dosing from 5 to 50 kg. Structurally, the batcher consists of a through pipe, a weight measuring module fixed on 2 strain gauges, pneumatic device for clamping the bag, pneumatically operated dampers, and a quick-release funnel. The dosing of material is controlled by a damper that regulates the flow of material entering through the nozzle. Dosing accuracy is observed when the damper operates in 2 modes. In the coarse dosing mode, the bulk of the material is dumped, which reduces the dosing time. In the fine dosing damper operating mode, the damper blocks part of the flow of material passing through the nozzle, which makes it possible to bring the mass of material to the specified one with high accuracy. The batcher is controlled by means of a weighing controller dosing VKD001 manufactured by the Weighing Equipment Plant. You can order this equipment on the website of the Weighing Equipment Factory. The link to the website will be in the description of this video.